I'm rating my 2 homemade fidgets I just made, and I'll be showing you in the next video my dentist kit. So these 2 are what I made. So I made this. Yes, I haven't done the back yet. Comment down below for a tutorial if you want me to do the back of how to make these 2. But anyway, this is what this one looks like and feels like. I rate this in a 7 out of 10 because this one doesn't really pop that well, and it's just kind of annoying. But I like it, and this is what it's related to. Don't worry about the background, my brother being super noisy. This is not the only puppets I have. These are the puppets, so I'll be showing you them. This one is kind of what it relates to, but that one's broken. I just chose it because but that one's kind of related to this one is related to this puppet. Okay. Next is this one, you probably already saw it. But this is kind of related to a dimple. Get a little kawaii face. Comment down below for a tutorial. This is really cool and nice to just like pop. It pops like a real dimple. I love it. This is like my favorite one. Oops. This is kind of like my favorite one. It's nice pops. It's got nice pops. It's kind of like an egg for me, but I really like it. I can't stop playing with it. Okay, next. This is what it's related to. Comment down below if you would like a smile of all my puppets or fidgets, or any fidget videos, or how to make any fidgets, because this account's going to turn into a food account, and making things account, and also random things account. It's just anything account, but mainly fidgets and stuff. If you don't, and making fidgets, so if you don't have fidgets and you really want some, I can give you a tour. And and show you what fidgets I have. And how to make these. Maybe I'll show you in the next video after this one on how to make this. Well, it's only if you guys comment down below. So yeah. And the title is going to be DIY, showing you my DIY fidgets that I made. Just saying. Yes, it isn't good background because, yeah. But yeah. Bye.